and today I'm going to be talking about how neurons communicate. So there are 5 steps on how neurons communicate and travel within our brain and pass those synaptic messages from neuron to neuron. Okay, so this is my friend here. This is the neuron. And the first step in neuron communication is it starts here in the dendrites. The dendrites are where a presynaptic neuron, which is messages from a previous neuron, are taken into the dendrites of this neuron. And the second step is that those messages from the dendrites are then taken into the cell body, this little circle here. The cell body, or the soma, is essentially the life support center for the entire neuron. That is also where you may find ribosomes or mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, from what you have learned in biology class. But once those messages are absorbed into the cell body or the soma, the third step is action potential. So there is potential for action. It's either an all or none response. Either it travels, the message travel, or it doesn't. This is also what we call firing within the neuron. It then travels down the axon, or it fires, and as it passes through a myelin sheath on the outside, the myelin sheath surrounds the axon and is essentially like a speed boost for the synapse, or for that message. As it travels down the axon, the fourth step is that it can be absorbed into one of these synaptic gaps right here, which is the space in between the myelin sheath. When those neurons are absorbed, neurons can be such as dopamine or serotonin. They then proceed to travel further down the axon into these terminal branches. Once they get to the terminal branches, the neurotransmitters have 2 choices. They can either reuptake or be reabsorbed by the neuron, or they can pass next to the next neuron and carry on that message. And thank you, and I hope you have enjoyed how neurons communicate.